Howdy, welcome to Engine Restorations. I am just looking up on the Echo Power Equipment website today because I have a 1970s Echo CS 330 EVL chainsaw, 1980s or 70s vintage, just to see what a comparable saw of that size today sells for. With the 14-inch bar, this is the modern 330, called the T, 330 TCS series, $259.99. And just for the heck of it, I looked up the biggest saw they produced today. It's a 80.7 cc saw, the CS 8000, 24-inch bar. That's what they sell for, $829.99. That really surprised me for a saw like that, how much they get. Because my old saw is a 33cc, which is the same engine size is in the CS 341 model with a 14-inch bar. It looks very, very similar to the old 330 EVL. That sells for $309.99 today. I'm glad I trash picked the 330 last year when I did. It's a great saw. I put a 14-inch bar on it. I had an 18, which was too much for it. Didn't have enough power to run it. Well, it did run it, but there was a lot of strain on the engine. I just saw this today and I figured I'd like to show it. So, thank you for watching for now.